sir, I am Mark David Erin. So this is my oral video. So first question that I answer is, what is ballistic? So ballistic is defined as the science of motion of the projectile and the condition that affects its motion. Then next question is, explain the three types of motion and projectile. So first is the direct motion. So it is the forward motion of the bullets or shots out of shell by the action of expansive force of gases coming from the burning gunpowder. The next is the rotatory motion. So it is the action of the bullet passing through a rifle bore barrel firearm which either twisted to the left or to the right. Then next is the translational translational motion. So it is the action of the bullet once it hits object or the target or to the target and, and subsequently ricocheted. Then number three question is, what is trajectory? So trajectory, this refers to the parabola like of the projectile from the times it leaves the muzzle until it hits the target. Then number four question that I answer is, enumerate at least 10 person behind firearms and their contribution. So first is Oliver Winchester, one of the earliest rifle and pistol maker. Then David Carbine Williams, maker of the first known carbine. Then Daniel B. Wilson, the partner of Smith in the making of the famous revolver bearing their names. Then John T. Thompson developed the course of WW1, the Thompson M1 A1. Then L.C. Smith developed the shotgun bearing his name and is known as the uh, Ithaca Gun Company. Then Eugene Stoner designed the US M16 Armalite. Then Hero Smith founded the Great Firm Smith and Wesson and pioneered the making of breech-loading rifles. Then Elisha King wrote, designed the machinery for making Colt firearms. Then L. Palit Remington, one of the early rifle maker. Then last is James Wolfe Rifle, stimulated the development of the model 1855 rifle musket. Then question number 5 is, give the legal definition of firearms. So firearms are arms as herein use includes rifle, muskets, carbine, shotguns, pistols, revolver, and all other deadly weapons from which a bullet, ball, shots, shell, or um, other missiles may be discharged by means of gunpowder or other explosives. Then next is question number 6. Distinguish smooth bore firearm to rifle bore firearm. Smooth bore firearms these firearms that have no riffling or no lands and grooves inside their gun barrel. So for example is shotgun and muskets. Then rifle bore firearms. These firearms that have riffling inside their gun barrel. They have lands and grooves. So for example is pistols, revolvers, and other modern weapons. Then question number 7 is, enumerate the miscellaneous types of gun. So first is zip gun, second cane gun or knife gun or knife pistols, cell phone gun. Then 3 is flare gun, 4 is gas gun, 5 is harpoon gun, then 6 is liberator, 7 is multi-barrel gun, then 8 is paradox gun, then 9 is toll gun, then 10 is trap gun. Then question number 8 is, what is ammunition? So ammunition refers to the group of cartridge or to a single cartridge. So cartridge is a complete unfired unit consisting of the bullet, gunpowder, cartridge case, and the primer. Then question number 9 that I answer is, how do you describe projectile? So the word projectile is a generic term used when referring to any metallic or non-metallic ball that is propelled from the firearm. So it may be it may also be referred to as bullets, slug shots, or missiles. And last question that I answer is discuss the types of cartridge case. So first is the straight type. So a type of cartridge case shell which has a straight shell body usually found on cartridge used in an automatic weapon. Then the tapered type. So it is a type of cartridge case similar to a flower flower vase. It is found in caliber 22 Magnum Jet. Then number 3 is the bottleneck type. So it is a type of cartridge case commonly found in ammunition for rifles. So that's all my oral video, sir. Thank you.